Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you the smart motion feature of Vivo V21 smartphone. Okay, so if you want to turn off the screen, just double tap to turn it off, and if you want to turn it on again, just double tap to turn on the screen like this. Just double tap to turn off and double tap to turn it on. And if the phone screen is turn off, just raise to turn on the screen like this. You can see, just raise to wake up the screen like this. If the screen is turned off, raise to wake up the screen like this. And if you want to launch some application when the screen is turned off, okay, for example, I want to launch dialer, just draw C like this, and you can see dialer launched. And when the screen is turned off, if you want to launch the browser, just draw E, and you can see browser launched. And if you want to launch Facebook, just draw F. And you can see Facebook launched. And when the screen is turned off and you want to unlock it, just slide up like this. Do it again, slide up like this to turn on or unlock the screen. And if you want to open the camera, just slide downward like this to open the camera. So guys, this is the smart motion feature of Vivo V21 smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for latest updates.